Hello and welcome. If you're new, welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. In today's lesson, we're looking at some lovely chord progressions in the key of C major, so you can add some charming inversions for 2021. We'll begin with how to actually invert a chord. Then we'll look at our chord progression. And in this lesson, the chord progression we're working with is C, G, A minor, F, and back to C. Together we'll practice each chord in our chord progression in all of its inversions. First we'll practice the chord inversion with our right hand, then with our left hand, then our hands together. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin with our C major simple chord progression. We're going to begin with the root chord. So you have C, E, and G. In order to create an inversion, you're going to take the C of this chord and you're going to throw the C on top. So then the chord becomes E, G, and C. That's first inversion. To create the second inversion, you're going to take that E and you're going to throw that E on top. So now the chord inversion is G, C, and E. And there you have all three inversions. Now remember, this trick you can apply to any chord on the piano. Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. Let's begin with the C major chord in all of its inversions. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. Let's look at the G major chord in all of its inversions. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? Now let's look at the A minor chord in all of its charming inversions. Let me know in the comment section down below with a simple yes or no if you're going to incorporate these chord progressions into your daily music practice plan. Now let's look at the 4 chord in all of its inversions. If anyone you know loves to play an instrument and express themselves through music, check out some of our amazing goodies. Need a simple daily music journal, notebook, assignment, or composition book? We've got you covered. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.